Unboxing video, take 11. Yeah. Okay guys, hello guys, and welcome to an unboxing video. We got we got Samsung S6. It's really good. Don't look at that thing. I already opened it. How do I? There it is. There we go. All right, so we're gonna witness the magnificent Samsung S6, I think. Alright. Oh my god! Look at it! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh god, don't drop it! Oh my god! Holy shit, it's so amazing! It's so... Fuck off, box. It's so huge! And it's so thin! Holy shit, it's like the most thinnest phone in the whole world. How do I turn it on? It's not working. Oh my, but holy shit! Look at how thin it is. My God, what would happen if I do this? Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Well, I guess it is, it's too thin, I guess. My God. Well. Okay, probably gonna stick to iPhones, I guess. Well, thank you guys for watching.